Next, we will read about pesticide poisoning. Pesticides includes three categories: insecticide, herbicide, and rodenticide. They result from intentional, accidental, and occupational exposure. They are marketed as simple formulation, often under shared brand names. Human toxicity can occur from many ingredients in the formulation. WHO classifies pesticides according to toxicity based on rodent median lethal oral and dermal exposure. ये रहा, based on rodent median lethal oral and dermal exposure. Toxicity classification should not be used to predict severity after human exposure, because humans में you can't really tell कि toxic होगा कि नहीं होगा. First is your insecticide. Chemical insecticides are toxic to human nervous system, producing acute and chronic manifestation as well as delayed sequelae. 6 major classes of insecticides are in common use. These are इंसेक्टिसाइड एंड रेपेलेंट. तो इंसेक्टिसाइड में आ गया आपका ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फेट्स, कार्बामेट, ऑर्गेनोक्लोरीन, पायरेथ्रॉइड्स, निकोटिनॉइड्स एंड नीरीज टॉक्सिन एनालॉग्स. ओपी पॉइजनिंग, कार्बामेट, ऑर्गेनोक्लोरीन, पायरेथ्रॉइड, निकोटिनॉइड एंड नीरीज टॉक्सिन. आपका रेपेलेंट है अमित्राज. The organophosphate first. Commonly used organophosphate are diazinon, malathion, parathion and chlorpyrifos. Organophosphate and carbamate compounds are the insecticide exposure commonly resulting in healthcare facility. Highly potent compound are parathion used are in agriculture, and comphos and trichlorphen are used in animal care. Diazinon and chlorpyrifos are phased out from households due to neurotoxicity, but they are used in India. Yay! We are the world's trash can and we are the world's lab rats. The organophosphate structure can be modified into chemical. Globally, OP poisoning results most commonly from deliberate self-poisoning. Accidental are in farmers and industrial. Inadvertent exposure, flea dip products or groomers. पता नहीं क्या है. तो flea dip pet groomers में okay. Systemic absorption of organophosphate occur by inhalation and after mucous membrane, transdermal, transconjunctival and GI exposure. तो mucous, transdermal, transconjunctival, GI exposure. Consult with poison control center and toxicologist. और कंटेनर दिखा के स्पेशल कंपाउंड बोलना है. पैथोफिजियोलॉजी क्या है? Organophosphate and carbamate compounds inhibit the enzyme cholinesterase, so they will increase the acetylcholine. And cholinesterase inhibitor ये है आपका pyridostigmine used in myasthenia. तो OP and pyridostigmine सेम काम करते हैं. Acetylcholinesterase, there are 2 forms, true और RBC. दो है, true acetylcholinesterase and RBC acetylcholinesterase is found primary in the RBC membranes, nervous tissue and skeletal muscle. प्लाज्मा cholinesterase, अच्छा ट्रू वाला RBC का है, वो मिलता है फाउंड प्राइमरीली इन RBC, nerves and muscle. Then there is a plasma cholinesterase which is pseudocholinesterase. It's found in the serum, liver, pancreas, heart and brain. Inhibition of cholinesterase leads to acetylcholine accumulation in the nervous synapse and neuromuscular junctions, resulting in overstimulation of acetylcholine receptors. The initial overstimulation is followed by paralysis of cholinergic synaptic transmission in the CNS. Excess acetylcholine results in cholinergic crisis that manifests as a central and peripheral clinical toxidrome. OP compounds bind irreversibly to acetylcholinesterase, thus inactivating the enzyme through the process of phosphorylation. यानी एंजाइम अब वो बेकार हो गया, वो कभी एक्टिवेट नहीं हो सकता. The term aging is the permanent irreversible binding of the OP compound to the cholinesterase. यानी death, basically death of the enzyme. The time to aging is highly variable among different agents and can range from minutes to days or more. Once aging occurs, the enzymatic activity of cholinesterase is permanently gone, and the new enzyme must be resynthesized over a period of weeks before initial symptom resolve and normal enzymatic function returns. Antidotes are more effective if given before aging occurs. So carbamates में there is no aging, I suppose. Carbamates, OP poisoning organophosphate make a phosphorylated version of enzyme which is useless, but carbamates form a carbamylated enzyme that is reversible, salvageable.